My name is Franki Race. I am a Technical Operations Associate for Carbon Management Canada. So I've been with CMC for 3 years, and it's evolved significantly in the 3 years I've been with CMC. So seeing where the industry can go and how the regulations have changed and the calls for projects and stuff that have come in the last 3 years is really exciting, that the work we've put into something will become something bigger. CMC is a national non-for-profit that aims to aid that innovation and development of both carbon capture, utilization, and storage technologies. So one of the main purposes of our Newell County facility is building those measurement, monitoring, and verification plans. So that's what ensures the safety of your CCS project. And so we get to test all of the different technologies that are available to see what works best. And then based on the site characteristics as well as the project plans, we can help advise as to what technology should be used, how often, and what your measuring, monitoring, and verification plan should look like. My role varies daily. It's dependent on the projects that we're doing. So if we've got an installation project or a field project, I do everything from choosing where things are going to be to ensuring that the right notifications are done for both the land, the government, and the regulators, and then coordinating, having contractors on site and being there when that work is actually done to ensure that everything's done properly and safely and within regulation. And then there's always the office side of things, so those notifications, ensuring that our project plans are done correctly, that all of the safety's in place, and that we've got record of what we're doing so we can look back on it in the future if things need to change or improve or technology changes and improves so we can repeat, whether it be tests or projects. CMC operates a research facility, so our Newell County facility is research-based, so everything we're looking at doing and what we do is to aid innovation and technology development. I grew up in Cranbrook, so it's a relatively small town, especially compared to Calgary. And a lot of the focus growing up was in school was environment, recycling, and in high school I took outdoor skills and a geography class, and we got to do a project on renewable energy sources, and I really enjoyed that. I went to university to be an engineer. I lasted a semester, and I switched my degree to energy sciences. So I have a bachelor's of science in natural sciences with concentrations in energy science and geoscience. My education focuses on energy sources, so mostly renewable or cleaner energy sources. However, we did look at the grid system and that kind of thing. And then I also concentrated in geology. I liked my first geology class, and that's why I chose it. I liked looking at the rocks, so that's what got me there. So I started off as a summer student. I've worked on our data side of things. I've worked as a field operator, and I recently started working in the project management side of things, and I very much enjoy that. I like seeing something start from scratch to a completed project. So I would like to be working as a project manager in the future. I'm working on my project management professional designation, and that's definitely what I enjoy doing the most. There's an opportunity for everyone. It does not matter what you want to do. If you want to be an engineer or communications or a scientist or a geologist, that there is a place for everyone in the energy industry, and we need everyone. It can't be done with just engineers and geologists. You need everyone for it to be effective and excel and succeed. As the energy industry evolves, obviously we're going to see more green energy, but we're still going to rely on that oil and gas for a significant period of time, and carbon capture and storage is a way for us to continue to use the oil and gas industry while we still incorporate new energy sources, and we get to be a part of improving that evolution that the energy industry goes through. We're not getting rid of anything, we're not jumping to anything completely new, but we get to work with all of it together, and being part of that change or evolution of still using what we know best, but making it better is exciting. I love what I do. I love the work that we do. Getting to see things change and they're continually evolving is exciting. It might work today, but something new was developed tomorrow and we have to adapt to that. And so getting to adapt to the changes continually is exciting, and being part of that movement instead of just stuck somewhere and doing the same thing day in, day out is really exciting. My day is never the same. I get to try something new every day. I get to learn something new every day.